Hey everyone, Deborah here. Today we are making cheddar, and so I thought it would be fun to show you how to use a cheese press. Using a cheese press for cheddar is absolutely essential. That's why cheddar is more dry than chevre, which is what most people think of as goat cheese, because it has actually had the whey forced out of it. A cheese like chevre actually has a lot of whey in it. That's why it's spreadable, because there's a lot of moisture left in it, because it is just gravity drained. So you put it in a mold and you just let the whey drain out. Whereas with cheddar, we've done that already. We let the whey drain out with the curds in this colander, but now we're putting it in a cheese press that will be used to actually force more whey out. You line the press first. You line the press with cheesecloth, and then you add the curds like Mike just did. And then he's gonna cover the curds with the cheesecloth. Now, yes, you do have to do this, because if you don't do this, then the curds will stick to the cheese press. And it's very, very easy to just pull the cheesecloth away from the curds. It is really important that you get a cheese press that has a pressure gauge on it. I don't know why they even sell cheese presses that don't have pressure gauges on them, because it's pretty much worthless to you. When I was learning how to make cheese, the first time I had a cheddar, it turned out it was a disaster. It was like 4 months down the road, and I posted in a cheesemaking forum about how badly it had turned out, and people were asking, at how many pounds did you press the cheese? And I had no idea, because I didn't have a pressure gauge. So this is the pressure gauge right here. And Mike is gonna keep spinning it until it goes, what, all the way up to the top?
Now, initially for this cheese, I usually start at around 35 to 40 pounds. But because of how much whey is still in it, this is its first press, and this is spring loaded. As the whole follower goes down, as the whey comes out, it'll end up dropping to about 25 to 30 pounds, which is where I want it for the first press.
So the numbers are starting to get a little worn off here. So we're gonna have to rewrite them on there. We have 2 cheese presses. We've already written the numbers on a different one, but see how all of the liquid is flowing out here at the bottom? And the other thing you want to make sure of is that that you don't have this cranked down too tightly, because if you do, then the whey is not going to be able to drain out here, and instead you will see whey pooling up here, and that's bad. Then you have to turn the press upside down to pour that out, and it really just doesn't drain very well. So it's really important that you have this, you just put this on here tight enough to hold it in place. You're not trying to crank it down all the way, because if you did that, then you just wouldn't get the drainage that you need to have. And see how much whey has already drained out of that? So again, this is a really important thing to know how to do if you're making any kind of hard cheese. So that would include cheddar, gouda, parmesan, Havarti, pretty much all those cheeses that you buy in the store that you can shred. And that's it. That is how you use a cheese press. If you've got any questions, just post in the comment section below.